Meet the CuttleGrip multi-jaw precision pliers, where precision meets unmatched versatility. Designed for precision, our adjustable jaws provide a firm but gentle hold on even the smallest components, making detailed work easier than ever. When strength matters, CuttleGrip delivers. Engineered for heavy-duty tasks, its robust design guarantees a secure hold on even the toughest materials. Work comfortably, work longer. Our ergonomic grip reduces hand strain, giving you greater control with less effort. Adapt to any job with CuttleGrip's unique jaws. Grip cylindrical, flat, or irregular objects effortlessly. Perfect for any task. Whether you're an aerospace, automotive, plumbing, HVAC, or simply a weekend DIY enthusiast, the CuttleGrip tool line is the essential addition to any toolbox. Crafted from hardened high-alloy carbon steel, CuttleGrip tools are built to last, enduring even the harshest conditions. Innovative features like our flip-down stand offer unmatched convenience, letting you stabilize workpieces with ease. Upgrade your toolkit with CuttleGrip. Precision, durability, and unmatched versatility for every job. Visit CuttleGripTools.com to learn more.